Welcome to my channel. I am Jackson, your AI tutor, and in this channel I will teach you how to use AI tools for content creation, business, ministry, and everyday productivity. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's go to the classroom. Today we are starting from ChatGPT in our training. The reason why we have to start from ChatGPT is because ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools that we can use for almost everything. Now, some AI tools, they were personalized, but ChatGPT, you can use it for almost everything. This is ChatGPT icon. If you don't have it, go and download it from Google app. This is the original. There are some of them in Google apps that looks like ChatGPT, but look at this icon. That is the original. All right. Now we are going to start from there, but let us go to my notes. All right. This is my notepad. I've written some of my notes there, and we are going to use it right now. Okay, let us go to my notes. Now, I ask a question here. I said, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can understand questions and give human-like answers. What it means is that ChatGPT is artificial intelligence. That's the meaning of AI. All right? AI is a smart computer technology that can learn, think, and help humans perform tasks faster and easier. All right? Now, GPT in ChatGPT means generative pre-trained transformer. It is an AI technology trained to understand human language and generate responses, ideas, and content like a smart assistant. Now, a company we call OpenAI developed ChatGPT. Now, using ChatGPT technology. Now, one thing I want you to know about ChatGPT is that it's not a human being. It is, artificial intelligence. All other AI tools, they are the same thing. All right. So, in other words, when you are talking to AI, know that you are talking to non-living things, but it has been trained, okay, to listen to you and to give you response. Now, ChatGPT can help users, that is you that you want to know how to use ChatGPT. You are the user. Now, it can help you to write messages and documents. It can generate, ideas. It can translate languages. It can teach and explain topics. It can create content for YouTube and social media. and it can solve problems. It can generate image prompts, not only image prompts, it can also generate, image. All right. Now, it can learn skills faster. All right. In simple terms, ChatGPT is an AI tool that allows you to chat with artificial intelligence, like talking to a smart assistant. Maybe in your office you have an assistant. I'm talking about human being right now. You can talk to that man and the man can talk to you. That is how you can talk to Chat GPT. All right. Now let's go to uh, the interface of Chat GPT. Let's go there right now. Now this is the interface of Chat GPT. Now I am going to teach you the most important area that we need. All right. Not everything in Chat GPT. But by the time you start, going to one place or the other in ChatGPT, you begin to know how it works. Now, let me start from this side, that is here. Whenever you want to talk to ChatGPT, that is where you are going to, type whatever you want to type. Okay, you type there, and it's going to give you a response. But when you type, there are some things you have to, there is an arrow that will pump up that you have to click before what you type, will go to ChatGPT. Now, another important thing here is this plus. Now, if you look at that plus, okay, the plus there, when you click on it, it will take you into your device where you save your documents. Maybe you want to import your picture, you want to import a document, or you snap a particular thing, like maybe a picture or a photo, and you want the ChatGPT to analyze it for you. That's, you are going to click that plus sign. There's another thing here. You can see this microphone. Now, if you don't want to type, you can click on the microphone and talk just as I am talking, and then it's going to uh, type for you, and then you will now send it and get the answer. Now there is this one here, those two lines. Sometimes there may be three. So when you click there, what you are going to get is some things that you have done in the previous time. Maybe you have chat with Chat GPT. All those things are saved there. If you want to retrieve them, you will see them there. You just click on them, and then you get all those things. Then other things we have here are, create image, code, brainstorm, then make plans. There are many other things. All right. But in this interface, this is where I want us to stop. Okay. Now, another thing about ChatGPT is that, anything you just need, or an idea that comes to you, just type and then send. Or possibly, let us do something. Now, let's click here. Now I am having my keyboard. Then you can say, let us say, hello, 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 chat GPT, GPT. All right. Now, hello ChatGPT. Now that I have typed that hello ChatGPT, before ChatGPT will recognize me, what I have typed, I must click on this arrow. Okay. When you click on that arrow, then it will give you response based on what you type. All right. Can we do that now? Let's click on the arrow and data. You have to switch on your data. Okay. Because ChatGPT must use data. Okay. Now it has responded. It says, "Hello Jackson, how can I help you today?" All right, that's good. Now, anything I need, I can just say it. Now, if you look at this, now, if you want to copy what he said, you can copy from there and then go and paste to your notepad. Okay, you must have notepad because when ChatGPT is explaining, it explains to you into detail. And there are sometimes you need just like this, "Hello Jackson, how can I help you today?" Now, if I don't want that dash between Jackson and how, now I will need to go and edit it in my notepad. So I'll get your notepad ready for any other thing. I think you have been blessed with this teaching. Thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am teaching you for free. Other people, they are teaching, they are charging, but I want to teach you for free. And now, after this time, we are going to practical fully. So get ready for